Hey there, this is K4A, and in this video today we're going to check out SketchBook French Curve tool. So let's go to Autodesk Sketchbook, new canvas, zoom out with my mouse scroll wheel, press space to move the canvas, and next to the ruler and ellipse there is a French Curve tool which you can turn on or off with F or by clicking on this button, and it works similar to ruler and ellipse tool. If I press on this X button, it will delete it or turn it off. When I hover over it, those buttons become different colors, or like X is red, so I know I can click it. And same as with ellipse and ruler, I can rotate it. You use the right button with circular arrow to do that, the middle button to click and hold and move it left, right, up and down, the left button to scale it if you need some smaller details, or scale it up to make it bigger. Same as with other tools which we have learned. This tool here, the first circle above is flip it, mirror it, like left and right version of it, because sometimes you will need some curves which you cannot get just by rotation or scaling. It's easier just to flip it, and that way it will work faster. And this second button on the top, or however you count it, first from the top to below or second from below to the top, when you click on it you change the shape of the ruler. Why is that so? Because again, you need different shapes of the curves. Some of those curves it's almost impossible or very hard to get with rulers and ellipse tools only. So these are curves which you cannot mimic like with in real life, also with compass or rulers or ellipse rulers. And these tools, these French curves tools, they exist in real life. As you can see, if you search for French curves, French curve is a template usually made from metal, wood or plastic, composed of many different segments of the Euler spiral, aka the clotoid curve. What does a French curve do? A French curve is a template. It is used in manual drafting and in fashion design to draw smooth curves of varying radius. So you use this template to draw curves much faster and easier than you would otherwise with some other tools, and you use it in architecture, in fashion design, when you want to draw some curves on clothing material, fabric, or in architecture to mimic some kind of curve for your, I don't know, when you project like some kind of building with curves and stuff like that. And these tools again are made in real life. This isn't like Sketchbook, Autodesk Sketchbook only. Autodesk Sketchbook put it here to mimic the real life, to make it easier for you to work and to transfer from real life architecture and fashion design into this digital software related design. And same as with ruler and ellipse, wherever I click on my screen now and draw, I can go over the borders. This whole shape doesn't make sense much in terms of you're not going to draw the whole area, the whole outline. You're going only to use it to, for example, make some kind of yeah, this could be a good one, a good example. So I want to make some kind of hill or something like that. I rescale, find the shape I like, I rescale it. Oops, too much. That's because of my mouse. It's not related to the sketchbook. So I hope this time it will work. If not, yeah. So you see. So I have some kind of hill with, then yeah, why am I using this when I can use ellipse, which we have seen earlier. So I want to rotate it and make some kind of sun. Okay, so you see how easy this now is to, we can use maybe this later in some kind of tutorial how to make some kind of if you have some idea, some kind of illustrations, or yeah, this isn't resembling the sun much, but you get the idea how this can be used. Maybe let's try to find some French curve for, yeah, this can be good for some kind of road. I want to make some kind of road here, so I'll try to do it like this. I'm not explaining this, I hope you get the idea. And again, this is relatively rough still, because I am trying to make this as fast as possible, but the whole idea is that possibilities are endless. So you see, we need color, we need details, but in few seconds, literally, you can make fast concept for your illustration, game, cover art, whatever you need, whatever you draw, whatever you sketch, whatever you want. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We have explained a couple of those ruler, ellipse, French curve tools. See you in next videos, I hope, and I think I will continue with Sketchbook, Autodesk Sketchbook next, but who knows, maybe some game engines too. Again, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye for now.